Okay, what we got here? We got three sections: the ERP, the SCM, and the CRM. I'm gonna talk about each one and explain how they work together, okay? But first of all, we got to understand about what e-business mean. The e-business is electronic business. Order online, so we are using e-commerce. That's a website that you go, it's a like eBay, or Amazon, or Walmart, and then you order something online. That is e-commerce. And then for these three sections, we are talking about e-business. It's like your physical companies, but everything is online, including all departments that you can see here, okay? So, for the supply chain management, in order to be working properly, we got to have three components. So, your supply chain would be successful, okay? Those three are, for the supply chain management, accurate order processing. Your order, it has to be accurate processing. Accurate order processing. Then we have just-in-time inventory. Okay, when you control your inventory, you don't have a lot of inventory and you don't have short inventory. It has to be just fine inventory, okay? And the third one, the timely order fulfillment, meaning when you prepare the order that has been submitted by your customer, you will have to fulfill that order within hours or days. It depends on the volume of your order, okay? So after that, we have the order processing. The order processing is pick up the order, pack the order, ship the order, and then deliver the order, okay? Then we have logistics, transportation, distribution, and the delivery, okay? The order that has been submitted by your customer, it has to be fulfilled, transported, and delivered, okay? You have to have a coordination, collaboration, a communication between all departments. This is why, in order for the supply chain management to be working properly, not only you need to have people who can manage your supply chain and it's gonna work by itself. No, it doesn't work by itself. You have to have other people in other departments that need to collaborate, to communicate, and work together with the people of the supply chain management, okay? So the whole company and the whole system work great, okay? When you buy the software of the whole system, from supply chain, ERP, which is the enterprise resource planning, I'm going to talk about it shortly. And then we have the CRM, the customer relationship. It's a section of the software, and the CRM usually is the marketing and sales department, okay, who take care of your business. This is how it works. It has to be integrated. And then we have another section that needs to be linked, integrated with supply chain management. First is the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, okay? The CRM, the Customer Relationship Management. The marketing and sales department, they have a responsibility to follow up with the organization's customers. You have to keep in touch, communicate with them, what they like, what they don't like. If they are satisfied, they are not satisfied. Usually when the customer are not satisfied, they're gonna fill out a complaint, either by submitting a form or by making a phone call, okay? And probably they will go online and, put their feedback, bad rating, good rating about that company, okay? And that's why we say customers value. The customer's value is very important. So the whole organization is working for the customer, okay? That is customer relationship management. Now, for the ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning, think of an organization where people, desks, computers, and a lot of paperwork. Okay, that is ERP. There are two main elements when we talk about enterprise resource planning. We have the front office and the back office. Usually the front office deal with the customers, and the back office, they are sitting there, they handle all financial transaction, protection, payroll, accounting, all that. And also there are some people working with marketing department, and they are we say back office. The reason I put the supply chain management in the middle, and we have CRM right here, and we have ERP right here. So imagine this is e-business, electronic business, okay? So the whole system is right here. The whole company is right here. All employees need to communicate, to collaborate, to help each other, okay? And there are different departments that are responsible for the CRM, customer relationship management. They deal with customers most of the time, marketing, material, all that, okay? They develop the business, okay? And then we have the ERP, people who are kind of administrative work. They are sitting there using their computers, sending emails, printing documents, financial statements, whatever, okay? So these people are administrative, and we have these people who deal directly with the customers. What do you like? What do you don't like? What do you want? Okay? And then you have the supply chain manager in the middle right here. All this section, the three sections, ERP, supply chain management, CRM, customer relationship, they have to be linked all together. And that's what makes the supply chain working properly. And they could have a good result. If one of these, or two or three, elements that are not linked, the supply chain won't work properly at all. So many companies are investing, thousands and thousands of, maybe 100,000, maybe $400,000 to buy software doing this. And it's a lot of money, right? And if employees don't communicate, there are no collaboration, no links between departments in order to satisfy their customers, there will be so many issues, such as delay of delivery, delay of processing the product, you name it, and there will be so many problems, okay? And don't forget, there are other external problems. Let's say you have so many trucks out there and it's raining, it's snowing, there are some, traffic accidents, rush hour. So you have to take these things into consideration, okay? So that's why this section, the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, they usually plan. All these people work in administration and they have to plan, they have to come up with strategies, ideas, so the customers are happy, so the orders are fulfilled correctly and fast, okay? Customers would like to get their product as soon as possible. And that's how supply chain management is very critical. So the CRM and the ERP, okay? Thanks so much for watching.